Okay, guys, what we have here is USDJPY. So let's do a quick analysis for this trend on USDJPY. For the trend, you can start this is a bullish move. USDJPY has been giving us a bullish move. Now, if you take a look at this recent trend, we're having a bearish move. One of the reasons is that we're having a drop on this DXY or the USD index, you see. As we are having a bearish move on USD index or DXY, any other pace will be changing to our USD tends to give us a bullish move. So as we are having this bearish move on this USD index or DXY, one of the reasons why you can see this bearish move on this USD JPY. So once you take a look at this movement on USD JPY, you would consider this as a low. Here would be the correction on USD JPY. We can now take this as a new lows. We would consider this as a correction. Here comes the new lows, and we will consider this as a correction. Guess what we just gotten? A new lows, right? Of course, a correction needs to be made. After the correction, what do you expect next? Another lows on this USDJPY. So this USDJPY, we are still on a bearish move. Now, this is our moving average, which is 10 period moving average, which will guide us. We all know once this price is above our moving average, it is a buy. We have to go long, but once it is below it, then it is a sell and we have to short it. So we clearly consider this price is below our moving average. So we are still on a bearish move. Coupled with the fact that this, you can take a look at this movement, right? Still below the 10 period moving average. And except this price kind of give us that bullish move and break above the moving average, then we can go long. But as long as it is still below this moving average, then there's only one movement we all should watch out for, or we all should take, which is to actually short this price. So USDJPY, we should actually look for a way to actually short this. But that should now take us to the 4-hour time frame and how we would place this trade. So once we take a look at this 4-hour time frame, this is a 4-hour time frame trend, lower lows. Here was the correction, a new lower lows. Here is the correction, a new lower lows that actually broke this previous lows, right? Here comes the correction. Notice that this correction actually failed to break this previous lower highs, right? A new lows is forming, right? So I think this should give us like a pullback right here, and again a continuous bearish move. So this USDJPY, right? This kind of give us like a setup to actually short this. This is kind of give us like a position to actually enter to short this USDJPY. So I'm still seeing this as a bearish move. So we would want to short it to be able to take out this ice, right? So if you have to take this sell position down to this lows, this candlestick wick, I say that should be giving us about 116 pips. So we should be able to grab about 100 plus pips, 116 pips, right? We'll be able to grab 160 pips. So this has just given us, this pullback has just given us a position to actually enter, or a setup to actually enter to sell this USDJPY. So what we will just do is, to actually just sell this movement. But if you want to take this trade, I'll just say possibly on this 4-hour time frame, be patient enough. Like I said, be patient enough. So fear of missing out trade can actually wreck this trade. So all you just have to do is just be patient enough, wait for this price to drop below this moving average. Once it has dropped below the moving average and it is below the moving average and price has dropped down a little bit, then that should be like a confirmation that okay, it is now time to actually place this trade on this. It is actually to actually sell this USDJPY. So this USDJPY, how will we be expecting or waiting for a bearish move? And if in case this price pushes up, then we should see a rejection at this candlestick wick, which I don't think so. But if in case it happens, then we should actually see it come to this candlestick wick here. Then price will now drop again. Like I said, we would be expecting or waiting for a drop on USDJPY. It's either we start this drop as at this level we are currently, we continue to drop to take out these lows, or this price can continue this bullish move, come to this level highs, and again we now see that drop. So this price will kind of like be like a range market move on a 4-hour time frame here. But let's see how this price will play out. Like we said, we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. So what the price play out, how the price plays out is how we are going to place this trade for the day.